Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to MOBILETTablet 5G. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Net Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Tablet. Oops, sorry, misclick. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. If you wish to input this key instead, tap on Input Key section below Enter the key. Enter all of those numbers and hit Receive button to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!